Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to set a proper stitching in overlock machine. See, this is called the perfect stitching. You can see there is a square. So basically, if you get this kind of stitching instead of this, then obviously your customer will be happy. You can see clear difference. Which one is better, you know very well. If you want this kind of stitching, then this video will help you a lot. So first of all, for a better stitching pattern, you have to focus on 1, 2 and 3. This is called tension. The main purpose of this tension is you can tight or loose the thread with the help of the tension. So now I am going to tell you which tension is help for proper stitching pattern. I am give you the proper demo. You can see there is a uneven stitching pattern behind. This one is proper, but you can see there is a uneven pattern. So what is the perfect stitching pattern for backside? See, this one is perfect, but this one is uneven, not proper. So when you get this kind of stitching pattern, do one thing, just lose the tension. When you lose the tension, the thread will be free and you got proper shape. You got V shape here. You can see there is a very little V shape. So when you lose the tension, you got proper V shape. See, now the stitching pattern is changed. You get a V shape. See, V shape. So this one is for backside silai. Now see carefully. This is the front side stitching pattern and this is a very uneven. See, this is not a proper. So basically this tension is used for upper thread. See, upper thread. Just 1 second, I am give you the best stitching pattern. See, so this tension you can use for the upper thread. See the clear difference. This one is perfect and this one is not proper. When you tight this thread, the upper thread is going to down, and when you lose this thread, the upper thread going to behind. See, this is very perfect silai. Now when I tight this thread, see what happened. See, the thread going to down. See, this one perfect and this one. And the third one, this tension is used for this vertical line. When you lose the thread, then the vertical line will be wider. Now I lose the thread. See, you can see clearly the vertical line will be wider. Now when I tight this thread, See carefully. See, the vertical line is going to little bit shrink. You can see the clear difference. So this one is for backside silai. If you need V shape, then you can use this one. You can tight or loose. When you loose this thread, you get a very good V shape here. And for this edges line, see, there is also one line. So for this thread, you can use this tension, loose or tight. For this vertical line, you can use this tension. And this technique is applied for this kind of any overlock machine. I am giving you the demo in this jeans cloth. See, this is the perfect stitching pattern, and you can find V shape behind. And one more thing, this technique is applied for any kind of clothes, whether it's jeans or it's a normal cloth. The most important thing for this kind of stitching pattern is how to put a thread in the overlock machine. So if you don't know the correct pattern of inserting thread in this overlock machine, then this is the video. I am give you the link in description. You can see the video how to put thread in overlock machine. Thank you very much and keep watching Stitching, Repairing and more.